YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Mr. Blackhorn, and just getting off of work and about to throw some decals, some new decals on the truck. So y'all check them out. As y'all can see, I had a couple of custom decals made. Unfortunately, I lost a friend not too long ago, and so had a special decal made for him. And it is going on the Blackhorn. It says "Rest Easy Cancun," aka Chris Young. And so you know, definitely got to pay tribute to my homeboy. You know, he gave me a lot of compliments on my truck as I was fixing them up. Always encouraged me. You know, so shout out to you, Chris Young, man. Rest in peace, brother. And then I got an updated YouTube sticker, the Blackhorn. So these are actually going on the back. As you guys know, I had some stickers on each side of my doors, but with the windows rolling up and down, these are peeling, so I'm taking these completely off. And these stickers are going on the back. So as you can see, I got my areas masked off where basically the top of the decals are gonna go. And so just took some masking tape, went straight across, and made it as straight as possible. And those are gonna be my guidelines. So y'all stay tuned. Oh yeah, had to show y'all them 26s too. They still on gleam. The Xena Argus UHP tires still doing amazing, still riding like factory. So, but anyway, y'all stay tuned. So shout out to vinylstatus.com. That's where I got my decals from. All right, guys. So I got some, just some Rain-X automotive glass cleaner. Nice little microfiber soft towel, and I'm just gonna clean the areas here, clean the areas underneath here, and then basically I'm gonna line it up based off of this, and again using the masking tape as my guideline. So y'all stay tuned. Except for Blackhorn's gonna be on this side. Rest Easy Cancun, aka Chris Young, is gonna be on this side. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, so we got that one on. That was a little bit tricky because of the way it peeled off. Because as you can see, it was kind of held together by that little where the Y and the H meets. And so that was kind of tricky, just kind of keeping it from drooping all over the place, but it went on good. I think it looks good. Again, shout out to my boy Chris. You'll be missed, man. Most definitely. All right, let's get to this other side and add the Blackhorn. All right, guys, so there's the Blackhorn decal. So it's on. We got Rest Easy Cancun, that's on. So I'm gonna fold the bed cover down and see what everything looks like from the back of the truck. I don't know, this is kind of big. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know, we'll see how I like it. All right, guys, so I'm kind of standing back looking at it, and I don't know, what y'all think? Too big? Is it taking away from the look of the truck? I'm used to it being nice and clean. You know, I ain't want to be that guy with a whole bunch of I ain't want to be that guy with a whole bunch of stickers on my truck. Y'all get in the comments and let me know what y'all think. Should I keep it? Or should I get another decal and make the red black, like black and white, like I got on the side of the doors? I'm taking these off, by the way, but see how I did the black and white YouTube sign? Should I get another one with a black and white YouTube sign, or should I keep the red? What do y'all think? Y'all get in the comments and let me know. But yeah, this is the finished product.